Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can update apps on Android. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and open the Google Play Store. Then after that, click on your photo on the top right corner. Then after that, click on Manage Apps and Device. And as you can see here, we have 8 updates pending. You can click on update all, or you can click on it and see what are those apps and choose the ones you want. So let's say I want this one, and this one. As you can see, or you can go back and you will see 3 updates in progress. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.